Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. Today we're diving into one of the most promising yet challenging markets for medical devices, Brazil. The Brazilian medtech market is the largest in Latin America, with a rapidly aging population and increasing healthcare spending. However, the regulatory landscape, governed by the National Health Surveillance Agency, or ANVISA, is notoriously complex. Successfully navigating it is the key to unlocking significant growth. A primary hurdle for any foreign manufacturer is the mandatory requirement of a Brazilian registration holder, or BRH. This isn't just a local contact. The BRH is a legally appointed entity in Brazil that holds the registration for your product and is legally responsible for it on the market. Selecting the right BRH is a critical strategic decision, as they control your market access. A common mistake is treating this as a simple administrative step, which can lead to loss of control over your registration and distribution channels. Let's consider a real-world scenario we've observed. A successful European in vitro diagnostic company targeted Brazil for its next phase of expansion. They attempted to manage the process remotely, appointing a distributor as their BRH to save costs. Their technical dossier, translated literally into Portuguese without regulatory nuance, was rejected twice by ANVISA. They were also unaware that their device required a specific in metro certification for electrical safety, a separate and lengthy process. After 18 months of delays and significant financial loss, their market entry strategy had completely stalled. This is where a specialized regulatory consultant becomes essential. The right partner does more than just submit paperwork. They act as your independent, professional BRH, ensuring you retain full control of your product registration. For instance, at Chen-Global, our local Brazilian office consists of regulatory experts who understand ANVISA's expectations intimately. We handle the entire technical dossier submission, using advanced AI tools to ensure accuracy and compliance with local terminology. We proactively identify requirements like the in metro certification from the very beginning. This integrated approach transforms a complex, multi-step process into a streamlined pathway. Furthermore, ANVISA's recent updates, such as RDC 751/2022, have created new opportunities for reliance pathways, potentially speeding up approvals if you already have clearance in other major markets. However, knowing how to properly leverage these new regulations requires deep, current expertise. It's about building a comprehensive regulatory strategy that anticipates challenges with documentation, quality assurance standards, and post-market surveillance. By combining local, on-the-ground expertise with a global perspective, you can turn Brazil's regulatory complexity into a competitive advantage. For medtech companies looking to expand, the question isn't whether to enter Brazil, but how to do it right the first time. Having an end-to-end partner who manages everything from market selection to post-market compliance is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. If you are facing challenges with global market access or want to explore your opportunities in Brazil and beyond, please email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https://pureglobal.com.